Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So this one will be different, guys. I will be honest with you, for every previous video I used ChatGPT. Well, I don't know why, but I said to myself I will go for it and I will just record a video with I just want to show you who I really am. I hope my English is correct. So, as you can see, I usually start with mixing of paint. It is very important stage of the process, as I always make sure that everything is mixed. I always make sure that paint is mixed correctly, and I always take my time with it, as I know how important it is. Yeah, so gun is full of paint. Make sure that the top cover is properly in place. So here it is, guys. I always try to spray the rim, like the end of the I mean always. I only done them 3 times for the moment in the past 6 months, but this one was okay. Generally, spray painting is like a cherry on the top of birthday cake. When you see an effect and everything is going smooth in accordance to your plan. Sometimes it's not going right, but I don't know, maybe someday I'll record a video about my fuck-ups. Thanks God I didn't have many, but when you're trying to learn something new that you never done before, fuck-ups happen. I will be honest. Yeah, so that was the first coat, and I only gave it like a really little bit. That's what I saw on the other YouTubers' videos, that they only spray just a little bit, just to cover the surface. And yes, and I believe it took me about 10 minutes. Later I came back to, I went for cigarette, I mean, I shouldn't say it, but yes, I went for a cigarette. I hope my boss won't watch this. This cigarette takes me 1 minute, so I won't be richer, you won't be poorer. Yeah, so always first cut, it's kind of quick and just to cover the surface make sure that everything is kind of sticky when you're coming back, and that you won't have any runs. And that's what my boss done to me today. This morning when I came to work, my boss said like, "Oh, Thomas, I saw all the weeks." I was like, "I'm sorry, and I was checking them yesterday after I resprayed them, and is everything fine?" And as DVD is actually recorded, everything was done yesterday. I tried to upload 100 videos to be successful. Yeah, that's what Mr. B says, that you need 100 videos and everyone has to be improved. So I said like, I give it a go, and this time I won't be using ChatGPT, as even when I went through my videos myself, something is wrong with them. I could definitely say and be honest with all the viewers that I fucked it up something, and maybe the reading, maybe you can, I don't know. Like I said, I'm trying. It is my first channel where I have to talk. I do have other channels, but I don't talk in them, and they faceless, and yeah, it's like something different. Just cars, so rallies. I mean, rally cars. Yeah, look at these guys. I think they actually look cool. I was very happy, and I don't know, and sometimes when I'm looking at the final product, I'm so proud of myself that I absolutely didn't know nothing about the job, and well, the best motivation is, I think, when someone believes in you, and my boss, he was actually trying to get me into that position for years, to be honest, and I was kind of so afraid to take the position, as I knew I never done it, and kind of, to be honest, thanks to my friend Michael, as he's like a self-learner, I would say. He's respraying cars, and he's like a cool, very cool guy. My best friend, to be honest, as I prefer quality than quantity. Sometimes it's better to have one real friend than 100 fake. So yes, like, motivation is important. If you don't have motivation when you working and you're not taking pride of what you're doing, you are in wrong place, definitely. Well, I like this place, and I do have bad moments. Like today I had such a bad moment in work when I had to do a job and I was blasting or power washing dry grass from side to side of the harvester, and it was like, fuck me. I was so angry. Thanks God my manager sent me out for about an hour. I was stuck in traffic and just listening to the music. I came down. When I came back, I finished the job, and I hope boss was happy, and they're gonna sell the stuff quickly, as it was like a used harvester. I had to blow it up and power wash it, Look at these guys. Not so bad, like I said, targeting final effect that has to be good, and take your time with these kind of things, as preparation is most important, to be honest. 70% of the successes, if you want to fucking prepare the stuff properly for the paint, it will just speed off after a while. I believe you'll be looking like an idiot for someone who don't care really about what you do. Wheels are actually hard to respray. Sometimes I prefer flat objects that you just like quickly from side to side, and always outside to outside, That's what I've learned from other YouTubers, that it was kind of wheels were difficult when I was spraying them first time. Especially silver ones. I had so many fuck ups that 3 times I was doing the same job, guys, and couldn't finish it until I took my time actually, and I was kind of doing lighter cuts, but they were actually bringing better effect than I was expecting. And then when you're trying to go heavy, and then it's just not going right. So yeah, a huge lesson learned over the last 6 months, guys. Like, from somebody who didn't know how to hold a gun to a guy who can do this. I'm proud of myself, and to the boss, thanks for believing in me. Like, he is always telling me that he had the feeling that I'm the right guy, and yeah. So guys, thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, I'm gonna give it a go and try to just go for it. Thanks for watching. Even if I have one real viewer who's learning something from these videos or enjoying to watch them, I'm happy to do it. Enjoy your day, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.